In this video, we're going to show you how to operate a HearthRite vent-free radiant gas heater. Pretty simple to use. So as you can see here, we got gas coming in from the town. And I want to show you step by step on how to turn it on if it's been off all summer long and fall long. Now it's winter time. The first thing you want to do is, of course, plug it up. And when it comes to our gas, it's going to be off if your handle is perpendicular to the gas line. And so what we're going to do is make it parallel. That's letting the gas get to your unit. And it doesn't matter if it's left or right. Some units you'll be turning this way. But basically you turn it on by going parallel with your gas. So right now it's considered on. So we're going to try to get a flame going on here. Now you got the control knob here, and this will go in a clockwise and counterclockwise direction. This is the actual ignition button.
To the off position, which is there, and then you wait 5 minutes to clear out any gas.
So we got off here, and that's pointing to the arrow. And so you make sure, and then you do that for 5 minutes.
To clear out any gas.
Okay.
You smell for gas, including near the floor. And if you smell gas, you stop.
So after it's been 5 minutes, you could smell gas. What we're going to do is turn it counterclockwise to the pilot position. P-I-L-O-T. So you basically are pushing these two buttons down at the same time.
Yes, yes.
This one, and this is called what, the igniter?
That is the igniter button.
The igniter button, and what's this button called?
That's your control button.
So you push them both down at the same time, and what are you trying to accomplish by doing that?
You're trying to get the flame to appear,
okay,
and light your heater.
How do you know it'll be lit when it's lit?
Because you can see the flame.
Okay. So let's go ahead and push. And you might have to hold it for a good 30 seconds.
It may be flooded.
See there, it's not working. It may be flooded. So what you want to do is give it a good 10 minutes. Just wait for 10 minutes. And then come back and try again. I think it's about ready to go. See, I can see flames.
Yep.
Is it working?
I leave this depressed.
So right now you're just holding it down while that's still lit.
You leave that depressed for 30 seconds after the pilot lights, then release the control.
Alright, so you're holding the control button for 30 seconds.
Uh-huh.
As you can see there.
Okay.
Okay, I can see it's still lit, so that's a good sign. And so as you can see here, you can turn easy way. And you want to have numbers here, 1 through 5. And of course, the higher it is, the hotter it gets. Now, we're in Virginia, and believe it or not, we only have to be on a 2. Maybe if we were like in Canada or New York, we might have to have it on 4. 1 is perfect for like spring and fall when you don't need that much heat, but you still need a little bit. Okay, here. So right now it's running, as you can see the flame. Okay, so you know it's on when you see a flame coming out from the bottom. Now to turn it off, the only thing you have to do is set this to the off position, where that lines up with the arrow, and then you simply unplug it if you have a plug at the wall, and that's it. And then you want to turn off your gas, and to do that, that's turning the gas off.